One person or five people? Which is more important? This question forms the basis of the thought experiment known as the trolley problem, one of the most debated ethical dilemmas. Imagine a scenario where a madman has tied five innocent people to a railway track. A runaway trolley is heading straight toward them. You stand nearby and have the option to pull a lever that will divert the trolley to another track, saving the five people. Unfortunately, on the other track, there is one person tied down. Would you pull the lever and save the five people, even though it means sacrificing one? This ethical dilemma was first introduced by British philosopher Philippa Foot in 1967. In general, many people's intuition leads them to save the five people, because five lives are undoubtedly more valuable than one. This decision aligns with utilitarian principles, which focus on providing the greatest good for the greatest number of people. From this perspective, diverting the trolley minimizes harm and represents the optimal choice. However, some argue that life cannot be measured or compared in this way. Pulling the lever makes you complicit in an immoral act, as you would then bear partial responsibility for the death of the person on the other track. To explore this dilemma further, researchers at Michigan State University designed a virtual reality experiment to simulate the trolley problem in a lifelike scenario. They observed how participants made their decisions in real time. In the study, 147 participants used virtual reality equipment to experience the dilemma firsthand. The results showed that 133 participants chose to pull the lever, 11 did not act, and 3 initially pulled the lever, but then reversed their decision due to guilt or doubt. This means that over 90% of participants opted to save the greater number of people, demonstrating a strong tendency toward maximizing collective benefit. Now, imagine the problem being upgraded with an emotional twist. Suppose you still have the power to choose which track the trolley takes, but this time, the one person on the other track is your loved one, a close family member or partner. What would you do then? This scenario becomes a dual test of morality and human emotion. As emotional and rational beings, humans tend to make different decisions depending on the context. This complexity is likely the reason why the trolley problem remains unsolvable. So, what choice would you make?